tube somewhere inside it, but a nice couple found it, gave it to the lost and found, and they passed it back to me after calling them and letting them know that I missed out something. So yeah, it's a very beautiful park over here where they remember those people who fought in the wars. So in these we forget, they shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. They shall not weary them, or the years condemn. The going down of the sun, and in the morning we'll remember them. And this is a memorial where ground is sacred and holy, so it is held in respect. The whole earth is the sculpture of famous men. They are commemorated not only by columns and inscriptions in their own country, but in foreign lands, also by memorials given not on stone but on the hearts of men. Remember, it's holy ground. Tread not upon it except in reverence. And then, yeah, there's this thing about just being a virtuous person. You know that if you find something that's not yours, and someone may have dropped it, you just give it back to the counter, and the person who lost it would return it. This reminds me of the time where we were in Queenstown. We stayed in X-Base Backpackers Hostel, and Han found a Canon camera in a black pouch in a locker. So I guess because the locker is so dark, we're definitely gonna miss it out. And so what happened was that she returned it to the counter, hoping that whoever lost it would come back for it. And that's the beauty of New Zealand, where you don't have, I guess it's not so much of you don't have to worry that you lose something, but just have faith and trust that the people here are good. Yeah. Take a look around at this place. It's a nice tree, the kids playing on it with grandma watching. There's some nice wide parks where you can bring your dogs to play and frisbee and stuff. Yeah, parked there, just down there just now. Went up. So I actually came back for a quick jog around the place. It's just to show you around this beautiful park that is just around the museum. So I'm gonna start running because it's a bit cold. No. Yeah, I should run on a sidewalk. Huh? Nice sunny day. So winter is over and it's approaching springtime soon. So once it's spring, I guess things will get less frosty. You got nice electric bikes now too. Yeah, less frosty and it'll be easier. That's the winter garden. Let's head on in. I didn't bring a bottle, but drinking fountain works.
100!
Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Smells really good in here. Is it 29? Tying in to 24. So ties. That's one of the reasons why New Zealand managed to catch up with the COVID, because we have sanitizers everywhere. Places to ask you to stay 2 meters apart. Oh man, this place is beautiful. Oh. Look at the flowers here. Smells really good though. Very delightful smell. Hello, good day. It's a beautiful winter house. Yeah.
Yeah, but I do it home, mate, I tell you that much.
Yeah, yeah.
Garden home?
Yeah.
That's cool though.
Yeah. It's amazing how you keep it so colourful and so many flowers.
Colourful is a word that can get a man in trouble.
Oh.
Speaking of this guy.
Oh, okay.
Well, the ex-girlfriend, she went waiting for those 3 words to
Uh-huh.
come to here, and I went, colourful here. Looks like I love you.
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah,
the
wait.
same lips, huh?
Yeah, wait. Colourful.
Yeah, that's kind of funny. Yeah.
Very icy night that was, too.
I'll try that on my girlfriend. Colourful.
Yeah, just
Colourful.
Colourful.
Yeah. Very nice. Cool, man. Yeah.
Hey, thanks, man.
Yeah, have a nice day. Thanks for keeping this place.
Oh, I'm gonna be done, eh?
Yeah.
Keep me fed.
Yeah. Colourful. Yeah. Yeah. It's beautiful and yeah. Just see the people here are really friendly. Ah, this one. I have this in Malaysia, growing the garden. So yep, that's the exit. And yeah, sanitize on the way out. But cool. I think it's possible to come out the other way too. But oh, okay. Oh, wedding photos.
So nice.
Normal photos are okay. Yep. Yep. Sorry.
Look at the drawings, don't they note them as being still?
Yeah. Looking at the building integrity. Let's go for another run. It's a nice duck pond. As you can see a duck swimming around. People enjoying a picnic. Nice sculpture. No idea what the sculpture is. Let's go find out. This is called the Millennium Tree. A millennium gift to the city of Auckland from the Chinese community, Chinese New Zealanders Millennium Trust. Her Excellency, the Honourable Dame Sylvia. Wow, by the Chinese. So I guess the Chinese community is quite a presence here in New Zealand. And yeah, you can see various sculptures around. Let's take a run around the park and circle back to the car, huh? So after I picked up the GoPro, I was supposed to go back home. And as I was driving, I was like, "Heck, I'm so near to the museum. I should just take a run around the park first before going back, you know, make the trip here a little bit more worth it. I guess I'll come back to the park another time when Krista more settled down, if we ever settle in New Zealand. Nice sculpture. And yeah, bring family for walks in the park, bring them to museum. I think my dad will love it here. The dinosaur bones and stuff. And yeah, you can see that they even have all these small gazebos to chill. I like gazebos, you know, place for people to just sit down together under a roof. Someplace about. Remember the gazebos that we had in school? Yeah, those were good gazebos. Just chill, make friends, community. To the immortal memory of Robert Burns, the peasant bard of Scotland, the strong advocate of universal freedom and the brotherhood of man. Presented to the city of Auckland by J.M. Meaney. Wow, universal freedom and brotherhood of man. That sounds pretty neat. So yeah, I guess that ends my short tour run of what's around the museum. The museum itself